Hapa ni wapi tumefika? You don't wanna hold me like before. Ama leo umekasirika, 'cause you keep on banging every door. Maybe zangu zimeshika, you not yourself anymore. Am I feeling like you leaving? Nimeshinda hapa kule, siku hizi hakuna gado. Leo sijakaribishwa, tuko wawili but I feel alone. Kwani nimebadilika, nikikugusa unasema no. I can't believe it. How are you leaving with no kisses, no hugs? I don't wanna learn how to love you from afar, with no touching, making love. I don't wanna learn how to love you from afar, how to love you from afar. Don't wanna love you from afar. Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through how to play No Kisses, Bensoul. This is a response to a request that was made by one of you. So if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know at the comment area. Give this video a thumbs up if you learn from it. It really helps with the ranking of these videos, and I would really appreciate if you did so. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that said, let's kick off right after this. So the song is in the key of G sharp, the acoustic version of this song, but in this tutorial I'll show you how to play it in the key of G. But if you want to play it in the key of G sharp, you just have to couple your first frets and play the same chords that I'm going to show you in this tutorial. I'm going to start off with kind of a quick mini part for the non-beginners. So I will quickly brush over the chord progressions of the different parts of this song, which is the verse and the chorus, because this song has only, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. So I will start off with that quick part, and then we will follow with a slow and more detailed tutorial for those who are beginners. So the song starts off with the verse. It doesn't have an intro, but if you want to include an intro, you just play C and then G, and then you can start off the verse. So the verse chord progression is C, G. You're going to play these times too. C, G, then C again, G, D, E minor, A minor, D. So that's the chord progression for the verse. So let me just quickly sing that part. I'll only sing that verse so that you have an idea on how the chords go along with the lyrics. Hapa ni wapi tumefika? You don't wanna hold me like before. Ama leo umekasirika, 'cause you keep on banging every door. Maybe zangu zimeshika, you not yourself anymore. Am I feeling like you leaving? So those are the chords for the verse. Now the chorus is a bit lengthy, also on the chords and the progression wise, but it's very learnable. So the chorus starts off with a 2, which is A minor, then D, and then you play C, G, E minor, So well, that part when he's singing I can't believe it, you'll play A minor. I can't believe it, how are you living, and D. And then then it starts with the C, A minor, G, D, E minor, and then C again, A minor, G, D, E minor, and then G, D, C, D, G. So with the lyrics and song, this is how it should sound when you play the chorus. So you start with the A minor here. I can't believe it, how are you living with no kisses, no heart? I don't wanna learn how to love you from afar, with no touching, no making love, I don't wanna learn how to love you from afar, how to love you from afar, don't wanna love you from afar. So it's that's how you will play the chorus, and that's those are the two parts of the song. So the chorus, the song structure is verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. So I'm gonna slow the tutorial down for those who are beginners. So well, the song is in the key of G sharp, the original acoustic version of this song. But in this tutorial, I will show you how to play the song in the key of G. But if you want to play it in the key of G sharp, you just couple the first fret and play the same chords that I'm going to go over in this tutorial. So I'm going to start off with the verse and then follow with the chorus. And the reason, of course, is because the song doesn't have an intro. But if you want to include an intro in this song, you just play C and G, and then you can start off hapa ni wapi tumefika. Then you start off on with the verse. So now the verse chord progression is as follows. So the song starts off with the 4 chord of key of G, which is a C, C, G. So you play these times 2, C, G, then C, G, D, E minor, A minor, D. So those are the chords for the verse. So we start off with so I will show you how to play this, to hold these chords. So the first chord is the C chord. So how to hold the C, I'm using my pointer finger on the first fret, 2nd string, my middle finger, string number 4 on the 2nd fret, and then my ring finger, string number 5 on the 3rd fret. So this is a C chord. The chord that follows is the G chord. So G chord, I'm using my small finger on the first string, fret number 3, my middle finger, string number 5 on the 2nd fret, and my ring finger, string number 6 on the 3rd fret. So this is a G chord. And then there's also a D chord. So D chord, on how to hold this chord D, I'm using my middle finger on string number 1, 2nd fret, my pointer finger, string number 3, 2nd fret, and my ring finger, string number 2, 3rd fret. So that's D chord. The other chord will be the A minor chord. So this is just the normal A minor. So I'm using my pointer finger on string number 2, 1st fret, my middle finger on string number 4, 2nd fret, and my ring finger, string number 3, 2nd fret. So this is A minor chord. And then there's also an E minor chord. So the E minor chord, I'm using my my middle finger on string number 5, 2nd fret, and my ring finger string number 4, 2nd fret. So those are the chords that are in the verse that comprise the verse chord progression. So I'm just quickly gonna sing over one verse so that you can have an idea of how the song, you know, and I mean the lyrics goes with the chord progression. So it starts off with C. So hapa ni wapi tumefika, you don't wanna hold me like before. Ama leo umekasirika, cause you keep on banging every door. Maybe zangu zimeshika, you not yourself anymore. Am I feeling like you leaving? So this chord here is a D chord, but this is another way of holding the D chord. So just in case you want to also know how to hold this chord, so I'm using my small finger on string number 2, 3rd fret, my ring finger, or my middle finger, string number 3, and then my pointer finger, string number 3, middle finger, fret number 2, and then my pointer finger, string number 6, fret number 2. So that's a different voicing of a D chord. So I'm gonna now show you how to play the chorus. The chorus progression is a bit lengthy, so I will have some 3 parts in the chorus. So the first part of the chorus starts off with the A minor, and then you will play D chord, so A minor D chord. So where he's singing, I can't believe it, why are you, I can't believe it, how are you leaving? So you play A minor D chord. Then after that, there's the part where he starts now with no kisses. So that part, he starts off with the C chord, A minor, G, D, E minor. So you play that C, A minor, G, D, E minor. You play twice. Again, C, A minor, G, D, E minor. And then the last part, he plays G, D, C, D, G. So I've already shown you how to hold these chords. So they're the same chords as the verse, but you know, kind of arranged differently. So let me just sing along with the chords, and then we finish off with the tutorial. So I'm gonna start off the chorus. I can't believe it, how are you leaving with no kisses, no hugs? I don't wanna learn how to love you from afar, with no touching, no making love. I don't wanna learn how to love you from afar, how to love you from afar. Don't wanna love you from afar. So that's how you will play that song. Maybe on the strumming pattern that I'm using. So you can use this strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down. So just practice on that strumming pattern until you're good with it, and then you can of course include it in that in your, I mean, as you're singing. So that's it for this tutorial. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you learn from it, and also if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.